Hello everyone out there in SIRENNET TV land. It's me, Chris. We got Stuart here in the studio as well behind the camera. We want to show you Whelen Engineering's 600 series EZ Scene Light. So the newest addition from Whelen to the 600 series family. So you may have your rig dressed up with the warning lights and even current versions of the scene, but this is going to enhance it even more so. So well suited for those of you in fire, rescue, EMS, and law enforcement services. But don't forget how great this is for lighting up vehicles in the world of DOT, utility, and construction services. So it's the standard 600 series footprint, and this comes in two different model numbers. The one we have here is a 604 SLC, and the C means it comes with a chrome flange. If you want it to be a black flange instead, well, you'll want to order the 604 SLB. So again, two different models for you. Looking at this from the side, you will notice that it is indeed a surface mount, but the lens itself does have a bit of a downward gradient to it. After all, it's a scene light, so it's meant to be mounted up high on the vehicle, casting that light down and outward. So that's kind of the new thing when it comes to the EZ Scene Lights. Beyond the functionality that you get, it has a new design. So the upper section and bottom optic and reflector sections there. The light itself on the back, center exit pigtail for the harness. Power, ground, violet is a low power. So yes, you can take your scene light and tame it down into a low power mode, 75, 50, or 25% of the normal full intensity. And this light even has a way to work with DVI where it has a ramp up. It can be instant on, but to make it easier on the eyes and those working around the vehicle, it has a ramp up, which is adjustable. To give you a demonstration of just how well this is going to work for you for lighting things up at night, let's apply some power, shall we? But you can kind of see with the EZ Scene Light, Whelen well has it covered when it comes to lighting up the area, so the scene in the work zone. But if you don't need a tremendous amount of light or things are changing and it's brightening up from the wee hours into the morning, go into the rig, make an adjustment to your controller, and your lighting adjusts accordingly. So to give you an example of this and how it comes on in a ramp up, check this out. There you have it. Full intensity, wonderful output of this light, again stretching outward and downward. But again, as mentioned with the low power, take that trigger wire, positive 12 volts, take that away, back to full intensity, you have it. And again, mentioning the ramp up, so notice the light here and how it's going to change. Back to it. So easy on the eyes, right? You don't just have that instantaneous on and off with this full power light like we used to. So many advantages to be found in the world of Whelen Engineering and the 600 series EZ Scene Light. It's available from us here at SIRENNET, so go ahead, place those orders. I'm Chris. Thank you very much for watching. We'll see you on the next one.